In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your account on Deriv. Let's say you're just getting started with Deriv and you are looking for a broker that you can use. This video is going to guide you on how to do just that. So before I go on with the important information on how to create your account, I just want to share something that I can actually share with you. So the first thing that I want you to check out is an ebook. This is called Learn How to Trade Stocks. Okay, and then what is covered in this ebook is the basics of CFD trading, stocks and indices basics, trading order types, rise and fall, and other things that you may need to know about forex trading. And to download this ebook, you can actually find it in the comment section or in the description. It will take you to a page where you just enter your email address, and it's a free ebook actually. So with that out of the way, if you again find a link in the description, it's going to take you to a page like this in order to create your account. So one thing that I also want you to know is that this session is a series of videos that we're actually doing in order for those who are just getting started. So if you get the link in the description, it will take you to a page like this. Okay, so if you scroll just a little bit down, you're going to see where it says create a free demo, and then here you have, if you scroll down again, you're going to see where it says sign up now. So you can use any of these buttons. So what you can do is, probably on this lesson, I'm just going to say sign up now. This is what everyone does when they're actually signing up for an account on the Deriv platform. So when I click on sign up, it's going to take me to a page like this, and here I have to enter my email address. I have just entered my email address. The next thing that I need to do is to agree with the terms and conditions. As you can see that this button is not clickable. So once I click on that, it is now clickable. If you want to go ahead and use any of these options, like to sign up with Google or Facebook or whichever method, it's really up to you. Okay, so one thing that I want you to make sure that you do is you enter email address and then you click to accept the terms and conditions. And if you want to read these terms and conditions, probably what you just have to do is to right click and open. To my friends who loves details, you can actually read the terms and conditions before you create your account. But anyway, I'm not going to go ahead and read all this information for you, because we're going to cover some of this information one by one. And then if I go back to here, and then I'm just going to click on create demo account. So one thing that you need to understand is that everyone starts off with a demo account. No one really has to go ahead and create a real account and things like that. So one instruction that was actually sent, it says check your email. Okay, we have sent an email to this email address, and all you have to do is to check that email to see you have received it. So I'm actually going to go ahead and do that. So right now I'm logged in my Gmail account where I need to see the email from Deriv. So there we go. It says one more step to create your account. So what I need to do is to just check the information that they have actually sent me. Okay, let me read that. Thank you so much for creating your account, and if this button doesn't work, click that and then you can contact support. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to verify my email, and then once I click on that, I need to check where it's going to take me to. So the first step that I was taken to is whereby I have to select the country that I live in. So one thing that you need to make sure you do is that make sure you select the country that you live in, because this may cause any issues with your account if you don't select the country that you live in. So again, on another step, we're going to be doing the verification process, how to verify your account. And at this point in time, you need to make sure that if you're using an ID from Zimbabwe, then you need to select Zimbabwe as your country of residence, or your country right here. Is very, very important. And all you have to do is just to click next, and then here they want me to create the password for my account, and let me go ahead and enter the password. So when I tried to enter my password, I got this message that said password should have lowercase, uppercase, and numbers and things like that. So one thing that you need to understand is that you need to make sure that you do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add an uppercase on one of the letters, and let's see if that changes something. Let me see. Okay, Okay, there we go. Now I have my password ready. I've actually included letters, numbers, and special characters in my password, and then what I can then do now is to say start trading. Okay, and there we go. I've actually done the process of setting up my account, and then a pop-up message has actually came up, and it says here, what would you like to start with? There is different options here. There is that. Okay, I've just clicked on that platform, on that page, but I'm just going to go back here. But the options that were there, they were just saying that what would you love to start off with. And basically that's how you create your account. And in the comment section, let me know if you have any questions. As you can see right there, you have different things that you can actually see. And then I'm going to come back and explain some of these things that you are seeing on the screen. So if you have any questions in terms of creating your account, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to assist. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and lastly, don't also forget to go ahead and download this ebook where you can learn how to trade the smart way, and I've added the link in the description below. With that being said, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.